Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited for this video because it has no hook, no script, and just nothing. It's a heart-to-heart conversation I wanted to have with you. In this video, I'm gonna share what's my vision with this YouTube channel and the brand that I'm building, and why am I here really? Because if you have been seeing my videos, you would know I talk about business, content creation, marketing, healing, and also building a freedom-aligned business. And that's what I'm really passionate about. But what makes it really unique and the kind of big picture that I see for it is so much more than just me. It's not just about helping businesses market and brand their products and business better, and it's also not about just helping creators and aspiring professionals to help them build a brand for themselves and a business which they can call their own. And this has been a calling for over so many years, okay? If you have seen my video, you would know that I started my first business in social media at the age of 20, right out of college, when I was not even, I didn't even knew what does it really mean to start a business. It was just an Instagram page where I used to create reels, and there was somebody who came to me at the right time and it just changed my life. And I want to be that person for you who does that to you. I hope that this video appears on your feed because you are really looking for a solution, and you've spent years watching videos, doing things online, and looking at other influencers, creators, and other people building their businesses online, and you're thinking to yourself whether it's really genuine, whether it's a scam, or how do people really do it. Let me tell you, I'll break down everything in this video. It's going to be a long one, so sit down and watch it completely, and also understand what's my bigger vision with this startup and with the brand that I'm building, which does not just has a community, and of course different ways of how you, if you want to work with me, but it's so much more than that, and I'm gonna talk about all of it in this video. I come from a very middle class family, and I was not born with silver spoons and in a very privileged background, and yet I made decisions in my life that led me here. And in this video, I'm gonna share everything how you can do it for you as well. So, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Palak, and I create videos around business, online marketing, branding, healing, and building a freedom-aligned business. I was at the age of 20, right out of college. I started my own freelance marketing business. And back then, I didn't know what I was doing, but it just worked out. It worked out in a way that even I had thought of. But then life was not very linear. The growth was not linear. My last 5 years have tested me, have challenged me, and have prepared me for the long journey ahead. So what you see today and what you see now is 5 years in making, and I'm just getting started. So how it all started and what I'm now doing here, right? So people who know me would know that, okay, Palak is somebody who does social media marketing. She's very active on Instagram, which I really am. And I love, creator economy. I am just like a very creative powerhouse, and I'm very optimistic person. Yeah? So, what makes me excited about the whole creator economy is not just limited to, maybe getting free products and just making videos. It could be as simple as that also if you're just starting out. But what I see of filling now is a vision that's so much bigger than me. It's like a lot of people hesitate and have this thoughts in mind that, they are passionate about certain skills and they are passionate about, certain topics. But somewhere, nobody told them how that they can monetize. Even after social media growing so much, even after, seeing other influencers, other creators, other people building businesses online. And not just like small businesses, like building brands that do like multiple crores every year, if not month. And it's crazy. It's crazy when you see their journey. It's crazy because there's so many examples, like from Parul Gulati to Mishkher to Paradise. Like everybody has started just by building communities online and sharing their message across over and over again. And that's how they have built these multi-billion companies. So if you are seeing this video, sitting at your home thinking, how do people do it and whether you can do it too, I'm here to remind you and I'm here to tell you and give you that permission slip that you're looking for, then yes, you can do it too. Not because they have done it, but because the aspiration of building something of your own has been there in your heart and your mind for years, but you have been stopping yourself thinking that my parents won't support me. How will I monetize it? It would take years for me to get successful. Let me tell you, every career, every opportunity has an opportunity cost. The more time you take to take a decision and start doing it, you are missing out on opportunities that you could have bought if you would have started earlier. And I regret it. I don't regret, but I wanted to start my YouTube channel 5 years ago, So I lost that 5 years of waiting. So that now I had to start from zero. And if you are right now out of college or a working professional thinking that something would change in your life and then you will start doing what you really want to do, this is a sign. Take this video as a signal that there is no right time. The right time comes when you decide that this is the right time. Irrespective of what your astrology says, what your charts say, what your friend says, or what your mom says. Because they are not going to build your career or business. And it's your responsibility to do that. So what I am building is you here as an artist, as a creator, or as an aspiring professional who is already into a creative field but now wants to change and leverage social media and their personal brand to build a business out of it. No matter what niche, what category, what type of content. Because in 2025, it's not about categorization. It's about building as who you are. So, what is it going to be about? I am going to help you as an aspiring or an existing creator and artist to build and leverage social media, to build offers and a brand for yourself to attract opportunities that align with your daily life. Now again, this is not just dreamy, it's very practical, it's very strategical, and what we do here is we combine strategical work with energy. Because as soon as you start thinking that you really want to do this, and I know you have been meaning to do this for over years, if not months. So, how am I gonna help you? I'm gonna handhold you right from figuring out what are your creative skills, what are your passions, to building a brand on social media, and then to bring that and use that leverage of social media to attract opportunities so that you can build a thriving career for yourself online. And the possibilities are limitless. So, for the first time ever in 2025, I'm launching a very small cohort of people that I really want to help. And these are people who are really ambitious, have really high goals, and who really want to do this. So it's an invitation-only application, but for which the link you will find in the description below. You have to fill that form, and you need to, once you qualify, you will have a call with me. A one-on-one call with me where we will sit together, understand your profile, your history, your background, and what are your aspirations. And once you qualify that, you will be eligible for that cohort. This cohort would be starting by mid of October. You will just get 2 weeks to fill in your applications and receive a confirmation whether you have gotten or not. Okay. I am planning to keep it very exclusive, very small, but at the same time, if I see that passion, that fire, and that hunger in you, I am gonna help you build it from scratch, and I'm gonna get you in. So it's very limited, it's very exclusive. It's going to be a very close-knit cohort where I'm going to handhold you and help you build a thriving business on social media. So if you're ready, if you're committed, and if you're really hungry and passionate, get in the application from the description below, fill that form, and I will reach out to you very soon. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see your applications. I'll see you in the next one.